Hello to our network of contractors. I'm Bill Cobb, CEO of Frontdoor Incorporated, the parent company of American Home Shield and our newly launched brand, Frontdoor. I am reaching out with one simple message to say thank you. Regardless of how long you've been part of our network of 15,000 contractors, I want you to know just how much we appreciate and value you. And let me acknowledge up front, while there are a lot of people in our company supporting the contractor network, you're the ones that actually do the work. You are the heart and soul of what we do. You crawl into sweltering attics and tight spaces. You solve problems day or night. And ultimately, you bring our brand promise to life by giving our members the peace of mind knowing that professional and caring help is there when they need it. Together, our future is bright. American Home Shield, the biggest name in the business, and now Frontdoor, our new digital home services membership. Both offer tremendous growth opportunities for your business. Check out this website we created specifically for pros to learn more. Until then, thank you. Thank you again for being part of our family and what you do every day for our members. You are deeply valued and appreciated. Thank you.
Frontdoor partners with thousands of pros throughout the U.S. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, repairmen, and handymen. They are men and women, highly skilled in their craft. They heat our homes. They end cold showers. They make homes feel like home again. They are the faces of Frontdoor, and they save the day every day. Frontdoor thanks the pros who keep our members' homes up and running.